Some words have several meanings in different contexts. One of these words is have. The first meaning of have is to own, possess, and تمتلك. For example, I have a car. أملك سيارة. My brother doesn't have a car. أخي لا يملك سيارة. The next meaning of have is to consist of. أن يتألف من. For example, my graduation party will have 200 people. حفلة تخرجي ستتألف من 200 شخص. The third meaning of have is to suffer from illness and تعاني من مرض. For example, I have a headache. I need to take a painkiller. Have can also mean to hold something or somebody أن تمسك بشيء أو شخص ما. For example, the police had the thief by the hand. أمسكت الشرطة باللص من يده. مثل ما لاحظنا have تحولت إلى had لأن الزمن ماضي. The next meaning of have is to eat, drink, or to smoke something. أن تأكل, تشرب أو تدخن شيئا ما. For example, I usually have an egg. أنا عادة أتناول بيضة. The last meaning of have is to receive and تستلم. For example, yesterday I didn't have an email from my boss. البارحة لم أستلم بريداً إلكترونياً من مديري.